right, so we're looking at my field. This is a crop update. We're about 2.5 months from when I mowed. So you can see right here, there's a little bit of foxtail. That's just because this is the field edge. There's a little, actually I could see a little bit of foxtail here and there out there, but for the most part, you can see the Timothy starting to put heads on. We haven't had much rain, like 1 or 2 days of rain in the last, I don't know, almost month. It's been kind of a little bit of a drought. It's still doing pretty good from the dew at night. You can see right here, this is all alfalfa, nice and thick. The alfalfa is probably about 14 to 18 inches high. The Timothy, where the shoots are coming up with the heads, it's almost 3 feet tall. But anyways, we're gonna probably go ahead and mow this and get a second cut off this week. It's supposed to be nice all week, and then there's some rain next week, and we're getting closer to October. So I think I'm gonna do one final mowing, second cut here on this field and my other rented field. This field over here, it's got a lot of weeds in it. I'm probably gonna spray 2,4-D on it. I know there's a little bit of alfalfa in it, the Timothy, but I'm gonna spray 2,4-D, try to save the Timothy and replant. Just run the planter over and replant everything. Try to get a better stand for next year. I'm gonna go check my other field down the road. I'll show you them, what they look like. But we're gonna probably do a second and final cutting. I have a lot of people asking for it. You can see all the heads on the Timothy right here. So look for, there'll be some haymaking videos coming up, and it'll be a really nice quality. I just mowed the field edge to the road. It was really tall weeds like that. That's not my field, but I lease it. But I just mowed this, and it looks really nice with my quick attach mower. Here's another view of the Timothy and the alfalfa. It's a little bit, it's not as high over here, I'd say. Well, the Timothy, some of it's 3 foot high, but it's still shooting up and putting heads on. All right, whoever, the property owner here, I guess he's putting in, I'm guessing that's a sand mound. I don't know what they're doing. I thought he was doing septic. Maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know sand mound, but that's pretty mounded up compared to how it was. Anyways, so my field got a little bit smaller with their operation, but it didn't lose too much. But Timothy's here, there's a little bit of weeds in it. I don't see too much alfalfa in this. There's a little bit of whatever this weed is, and then but the Timothy head's in here. So we'll mow this too. I just don't see a whole lot of alfalfa in this. I'm not sure why, but maybe I'll replant it all, run more alfalfa through here. I'll go check the back field and that side field, see how they look. Here's the backfield. Again, not seeing very much alfalfa at all. Good bit of Timothy, a little bit of foxtail in it. And the small field that did pretty good. Some of these areas where water lies a little bit more nice and green and doing quite well right here. Then up on top of the hill, it's a lot shorter. Starting to get some color in the trees. Yeah, right here, it's like, hasn't really grown at all. And right here, it's almost burnt. I don't know if this will come back or not. It's like burnt.